Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money easily on Temu. So when you open your Temu app, go to You button, and here as you can see, go to settings and you need to sign in your account right here. And then once you sign in your account, you need to make sure that you are correct on country and region. So for example, I will put right here on US. And then you need to go back and actually to make money, you need to go right here on earn credits and free gifts. So as you can see here, you have a lot of ways on how to earn a lot of money right here on Samu. You have 5 free gifts, redeem cash, Fishland, and Lucky Flip. So for example, I want to choose the second one, which is to redeem $200 and send it to my PayPal. So right over here, redeem coins. So I just have a $1 and I need to have a 150 coins to get that $6 cash total. And all you need to do right here is to invite your friends to download this app, use this application to buy some products. So you can refer friends, you can go right here on social media platforms, you can invite them up, or you can copy the link. So if we tap this copy link, you have that link right here to copy and paste and send your link to your friends or followers. And second, refer your friends or followers to click your link and accept your invitation on Temu. And then third, get your reward right here, a $6 reward for your first invitation, but you can actually earn more money until you referring much more friends here on Temu. And it's so easy to invite right here. You can use that copy link. For example, I want to go on my Snapchat and go to that account that you want to invite, then paste the link right here. As you can see the link, so if they tap that link, it will directly go to the Temu app, and they need to download that and use that application. And right there you can earn money right there. So you can get a $6 cash and you can withdraw that or cash out on your PayPal. So it's very easy. You can try your Temu app. You can try a different way on how you can earn money here on Temu. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.